Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about enumerate function in a Python. So what is the use of enumerate function? Enumerate function is used to getting the index of iteratable object with its value. So basically, whenever you want to get the index of that element which are available in a sequence, or we can say in a list, that time we can use the enumerate. So enumerate function basically adding a counter or index with our iteratable, and enumerate will return us the an enumerate object which we can directly use with the for loop or any loop. Okay, and you can convert it into the list of tuple using the list method. So let's take the example of enumerate. So enumerate function is basically used with the loop. So here we have one list and which elements are like this, which have string, float. Okay, and let's use the enumerate function for this list value in enumerate list, and enumerate which having two parameters. One is the iteratable and other one is starting index. So if we are not defining the start index, then its value by default value is 0. So let's print index and value of this list of element. Let's run this program and Python3 enum.py. So as you can see, enumerate added the counter or index to our list of element, and we get using the index variable. Okay, so this is how you can get the index along with the value of this list using enumerate. And currently we have not defined any starting index, so it started with 0 and incremented by 1. And if you are defining start index, okay, 1, then it will start from the 1. Sorry, we need to put comma here and run this program. So as you can see, our index is started from 1 to 4. Okay, so this is how enumerate function is working. So I hope you have understood the concept of enumerate, and thank you. See you in the next video.